The design you just saw. It took me only 5 minutes. Now, if you wanted to build something like this without any AI tool, how long would it take you? 30 minutes? An hour? Maybe more? Let me show you how to build it in under 1 minute. Open your laptop and follow along with me, step by step. First, create a new folder. Name it whatever you like. Open it in Visual Studio Code. Create a new HTML file. Next, go to DeepSeek and write this prompt. Using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, create a modern and fully responsive header section for an educational website. The header should include a top bar with quick links, a centered logo with the brand name EDU, a main navigation menu with links, courses, about, blog, contact, 2 call to action buttons, sign in, and join now. Layout should be clean. Use a white or light background with blue and gray accent. Add smooth hover transitions, icon inside buttons and inputs. Adapts to all screen sizes. Make the design clean and user-focused. Wait a few seconds for the code to generate. Copy the code, paste it into your HTML file, run it. Check out the result. It looks clean, it's easy to use, and you created it in under 1 minute. Now it's quiz time. 1. What prompt should you write if you want to design a header section like this? 2. What change would you add if you want to change the colors? If you want to see more videos like this, support me with a like, comment, and follow. That's what keeps me going.